So now I've given the NWA a mandate, build road, but I have to modify it, fix road too. You have to do both of them. You have to build them, fix them, maintain them.
It's a story of two tales. What was laid there then, and what today and beyond looks like. Possessing similar qualities to those seen in the first world nations, many of our island's roadways experienced and continue to experience significant developments, or perhaps it's fitting to say, complete renovations. It's a legacy literally unfolding. Government has created the Road Infrastructure Legacy Projects that fall under its Major Infrastructure Development Program MIDP. And what's one aim of this project? Developing roads and making life a lot easier for motorists and commuters. Barbican was one area that experienced major developments. Workmen were kept busy expanding and improving the road, all in an effort to present us with this.
What's happening at Barbican is that we're doing a bit of extension between Russell Heights and Garth Road. We are at the stage now where the base has been laid, and very shortly we are going to be putting on the tack coat and final coat. We'll also be doing some work on the eastern side of Barbican Road. We'll have to do the laterals because the sewer system has been extended and will be extended even further.
The Mandela Highway connecting St. Catherine to the corporate areas of Kingston and St. Andrew is also being redeveloped. The area has come a long way, providing motorists using the space with much needed comfort.
As it relates to the Mandela Highway, we are roughly 88% complete. We currently are working on the last major structure that we are going to be building along the Mandela, and that is at the Hagley River. We have actually completed roughly half of this structure. We are getting ready to put traffic across it, and this is to facilitate the westbound flow. That's traffic heading from the direction of Spanish Town Road towards Caymanas crossing Spanish Town or the toll roads.
A major intersection connecting you to busy areas such as Spanish Town Road, downtown Kingston, Marcus Garvey Drive, and even the legendary Tough Gong Studio is 3 miles. This area too, along with its connecting Hagley Park Road, is undergoing a transformation. And there's more work to be done, but we can't deny the remarkable developments of what we are witnessing today at 3 miles and Hagley Park Road.
The project, which is to rehabilitate or reconstruct sections of Hagley Park Road and the reconfiguration of the 3 miles area, this project overall is 41% complete. We have already completed roughly half of the drainage infrastructural works that we have set ourselves to do. The sewer works are also ongoing. The bridge works are also ongoing. At this point, what we are doing now is we are putting in the T-beams that will then make way for the concrete decks to be poured. We are pushing to have all of these bridge works in the 3 miles area completed in about 3 months, having started those activities at the turn of 2019.
Another area that is being developed is the Constant Spring Roadway. This thoroughfare is being widened and properly paved to facilitate a smooth flow of traffic. And while works are still underway, we have a clear vision of what is to come.
For Constant Spring Road, we are also roughly 41% overall. The sewer works are pretty advanced. We have completed roughly 70% of that particular activity. The water line activity continues. We are nearly half of the way insofar as this particular bit of work is concerned. We have actually opened up a section of the new road between in the vicinity of the Immaculate School up to Manor Park, and this is to ease the travel for persons using that bit of the corridor. As the months progress, or the weeks and the months progress, we intend to open up more of the road. The focus here now is between Hillman Road and Shortwood Road.
The path that Jamaica chooses and the actions taken will lead ultimately to a unique legacy. The outcomes that we desire will be achieved through focused strategies as we build a stronger and better Jamaica land we love. It's non-negotiable. We will leave a legacy.
The road infrastructure legacy projects at Barbican Road, Mandela Highway, 3 Miles, Hagley Park and Constant Spring Road represent just another example of government working to develop the corporate area and make Jamaica the place of choice to live and, well, just do about anything.